Dear student, today online class you are attending for the first time. Most of you have done well in your exam, and all students of class 11 you have promoted to class 12. Congratulations for your good performance in the exam. Dear student, today I am going to teach online the first chapter of your accounting. The chapter name is Accounts of a Not-for-Profit Organization. Not-for-profit organization is one type of organization whose main motive is not to make profit but to provide social welfare service for the welfare of the public. For social welfare, to promote art, culture, tradition, sports, literacy, etc. in our society, not-for-profit organization plays a vital role to develop the society, to make social welfare of the community. Such organization examples are various club, educational institution, charitable trust, temple, mosque, etc. The main motive of this type of organization is to provide social welfare service. Now, question arises, that is, how we have to maintain accounts and what are the rules regarding this type of organization. Before I proceed to my topic, I want to explain you some important terms which are related to this type of organization. First term is subscription. You know, in a not-for-profit organization like temple or trust or charitable trust or club, there are many members who are voluntarily joined as a member of the organization. They contribute some money periodically. So this contribution is called a subscription. Subscription is the amount of money contributed by the members to a not-for-profit organization periodically on regular basis. This is regular income for the not-for-profit organization. The second term is entrance fees. Entrance fees is the fees paid by a new member at the time of entering into the not-for-profit organization as a new member. So it is collected when a new member entered. So it is not a regular income. Only when the new member is entered, at that time this fees is paid to the not-for-profit organization. So it is capital in nature. And third one is live membership fees. Live membership fees is the fees collected from the member towards subscription for the whole life of the a member. So instead of paying regularly the monthly subscription, a member can pay at a time whole amount towards the subscription, which is fixed by the organization. This is called live membership fees. So live membership fees is capital in nature, but the subscription relating to the current year is revenue in nature. And next one is legacies. Legacies are the property or the wealth which is transferred from a deceased person at the time of his death, according to the will made by him before death. So legacy is a item which is capital in nature, because it is received only when a person die and before death he has left his will to transfer all his wealth to a not-for-profit organization for the benefit of the to be used for the benefit of the society. And next one is donation and grants. Donation and grants are received by a not-for-profit organization either from public or from government. So donation is a regular income which is every year received by a not-for-profit organization. Similarly, grant is received from the government to use it for the welfare of the society by a not-for-profit organization. Capital fund is a term which is used just like capital in a profit-making organization. The capital fund is also called general fund, and this capital fund is accumulated in a not-for-profit organization out of donation, grants, legacies which are contributed by the members or received from the government from time to time, and it is just like capital and appeared in the balance sheet of the organization. And next one is special fund. Special fund is one type of fund which is created for a particular purpose in the not-for-profit organization. Say an example, in our school we have to conduct a tournament fund. In conducting the tournament, the fund which is already we have in the beginning, it may be no fund or it may be previous year fund, and for tournament any income received, it will be included with the tournament fund, and any expenses incurred for conducting the tournament, it will be deducted from the fund. So it is called special fund because it is meant for specific purpose, and it is directly appeared in the balance sheet. The income and expenditure relating to this specific fund are not taken to the income statement. Okay. Now I am proceeding about accounts which are maintained in a not-for-profit organization. So it is a special type of organization where main motive is not to make profit but to provide social service. That is why instead of cash book, we prepare receipt payment account for this organization. Receipt payment account is just like cash book in a profit-making business. But here we called it receipt payment account. It has two sides. Left side is called receipts, right side is called payment. In receipt side, just like cash book, opening cash and bank balance, all receipts are recorded. And in payment side, that is in right hand side, all payments are recorded. And after that, at the end, we find out closing balance of cash and bank after deducting all payments from opening balance of cash and bank and all receipts. So it is very easy to prepare. You know it. It is prepared during the whole year. And in this receipt payment account, both revenue item as well as capital item are recorded. Say example, furniture purchase, machine purchase, equipment purchase. These are also recorded in the payment side. Similarly, salary paid, wages paid, cleaning expenses paid, replacement paid, all are also recorded in this payment side. Similarly, in receipt side, subscription receipt, donation receipt, legacies receipt, entrance fees receipt, all types of receipt. It may be revenue or capital, it is recorded in the receipt side. So, receipt payment account you prepare just like cash book. I have already given you in the sheet You go through it. I have given in details in my note, as I have already photocopied and sent to you. Please check it and do in your class note that you have to prepare at home from the beginning of the topic. And I have to give you homework also in time from time to time. So get it done in time. Thank you.